If you're looking to understand Mailchimp pricing plans and how they can work for your business, you're in the right place. We'll break down everything you need to know about Mailchimp's options so you can choose the right one for your needs, whether you're just starting or already scaling your business. Stick around, because at the end, I'll show you how to get an exclusive extended free trial to start using Mailchimp for free. Trust me, you don't want to miss that. First, let's talk about the free plan. Yes, Mailchimp offers a completely free plan, which is perfect for small businesses or anyone just starting out. With the free plan, you get access to basic features like email creation, audience segmentation, and up to 500 subscribers. You're also allowed to send up to 500 emails per month. This is a great option if you're looking to test out Mailchimp without committing to anything, but there are limitations, like fewer automation options and limited support. Next thing, the Essentials plan. This one starts at $11 a month, and it opens up a lot more possibilities. With the Essentials plan, you can send up to 50,000 emails per month and have up to 500 subscribers. But that's not all. This plan gives you access to email templates, customer support, and more advanced reporting tools. You'll get better insight into how your campaigns are performing, which is really helpful if you're growing your audience or focusing more on conversions. The third thing is the standard plan. At $17 per month, this plan is built for businesses that want to scale. You'll get all the features of the Essentials plan, but with some key upgrades. For example, you'll be able to send up to 100,000 emails per month and access more automation features. There's also advanced audience insights that allow you to dig deeper into your data, making this plan great for more refined marketing strategies. If you're thinking of running complex campaigns, the standard plan might be your best bet. Now, let's move on to the premium plan. This plan starts at $299 per month, and it's for businesses that need top-tier email marketing and automation. You can send up to 200,000 emails per month with unlimited subscribers, which is a huge benefit if you're working with a large customer base. You also get advanced segmentation, multivariate testing, and priority support. If you're running a large enterprise and need sophisticated email marketing, this plan gives you all the tools you need to succeed. But here's the thing, Mailchimp's pricing plans can get a little complex with additional costs depending on the number of subscribers or extra features you need. It's important to factor in your goals and see which plan aligns with your business needs. Next thing, let's talk about the add-ons. With Mailchimp, you can purchase extra features like advanced reporting, premium templates, and more. These options give you flexibility and allow you to customize your plan as your business grows. To wrap it all up, remember that Mailchimp offers several pricing plans tailored to different needs, from free to premium. Whether you're just starting or you're scaling a business, Mailchimp has a plan that fits your budget and goals. And before you go, don't forget, you can use Mailchimp for completely free right now with the exclusive bonuses we're offering through the first link below. It's a great way to get started and explore all the features of Mailchimp without paying a cent. So be sure to check that out and make the most out of your email marketing journey.